You're browsing. Then suddenly, nothing loads. Wi-Fi's fine. Speed test? Perfect. But Safari, Chrome, even your App Store, dead. I had this same issue, and the fix? Flushing the DNS cache on my Mac. In this tutorial, I'll walk you step by step through how to flush DNS on Mac, no matter your macOS version. Your Mac saves something called a DNS cache. It's a memory of website addresses to load them faster. But sometimes it stores outdated or broken info. That's when you flush it, deleting old entries and forcing your Mac to fetch the correct ones. Press Command plus space to open Spotlight. Step 2. Type terminal and press return. Step 3. In terminal, paste this command exactly. Step 4. Hit enter. Type your admin password when prompted. And that's it. Your DNS cache is now cleared. To confirm it worked, reopen Safari or Chrome. Visit previously broken websites. And optional, run a speed test or DNS leak test. If everything loads instantly, your flush was successful. Still seeing problems? Try these quick fixes. Restart your Mac. Reconnect your Wi-Fi. Renew your IP lease under Network Settings. Or run the DNS flush command again. Yes, twice sometimes helps. Now you know how to flush DNS on Mac, clear your DNS cache, and fix those frustrating moments when the internet should work, but won't. This method works across MacBooks, iMacs, and all recent macOS versions. If this helped you, hit like, share it with a friend who's stuck, and subscribe for quick, useful Mac tutorials.